Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to understand the rules for drawing the ray diagram. Actually, these rules are helpful in order to understand how the image is formed when we place any object in front of a concave mirror or convex mirror. So let us understand these rules. There are basically four simple rules. So let me draw ray diagram for rule 1. If the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, then the reflected ray will pass through focus, or it seems to be coming from the focus. So if you take a concave mirror, let me draw a concave mirror. So this is the concave mirror. So concave mirror is a spherical mirror in which the reflecting portion is curved inwards. So this is a concave mirror. So this is the center of the mirror, which is a pole, and we have an imaginary line which passes through pole, focus and center of curvature. Okay, so when the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, then the reflected ray will pass through focus. So this is incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Whereas if you take a convex mirror where the reflecting portion is bulged outwards, so this is coated here and other side is the reflecting portion. Again I am drawing a principal axis which is exactly at the center. So this is pole. For a convex mirror, the focus will be on the right side. So this is the focus and this is the center of curvature. Now again, if the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, this is the principal axis. If the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, it will be reflected in a direction such that it is coming from the focus. So this is the reflected ray and this is the incident ray. This is rule 1. Similarly, we can understand rule 2. So let me draw the diagram for rule 2. So rule 2 is exactly opposite to rule 1. If you remember, or if you understand completely rule 1, there is no need to remember rule 2 separately. What rule 2 says is, if the incident ray passes through focus, then it will be reflected and moves in a direction parallel to principal axis in case of concave mirror. Whereas in case of convex mirror, if the incident ray seems to pass through focus, then the reflected ray is parallel to principal axis. So let me draw the diagram based upon what I said just now. So you need to know how to draw these mirrors. So this is the pole. Focus, center of curvature. Now if you observe, here the incident ray passes through focus. You can consider the incident ray moving from below the principal axis like this or like this also. Both are correct. Here I am considering the incident ray passing through focus. So this is the incident ray. After striking the mirror, it must be reflected in a direction which is parallel to principal axis. Now if you observe these two diagrams look similar except the arrow marks. If you reverse the arrow marks for rule 1, you can get rule 2 automatically. Similarly, in case of convex mirror, so let me draw the convex mirror. So this is the pole and this is the principal axis. Focus, center of curvature. So in examination, when you are representing the rules, you need to definitely indicate each and every point like pole, focus, center of curvature, each and everything. Now again, the incident ray seems to pass through focus like this. Here this is the incident ray. After reflection, it will move parallel to principal axis. So here if you observe, these two diagrams again are similar except the direction of arrow marks. Next we will see rule 3. So rule 3 is, if the incident ray strikes the pole, it may be for concave mirror or convex mirror, if the incident ray strikes the pole obliquely with some angle, then the reflected ray moves away from the pole with the same angle. Means this is the pole, and this one may be focus, and this is the center of curvature. Here the incident ray must strike the pole obliquely. Obliquely means making some angle with the principal axis. So this is the incident ray which is striking the pole by making an angle of theta. Therefore, you will have the reflected ray with the same angle in other direction. So this is the reflected ray and this is the incident ray. If you draw a ray diagram for convex mirror, it looks similar. Let me draw it like this, and this is the principal axis. So this one is pole, focus, center of curvature. Again, the incident ray must strike the pole obliquely by making some angle. Then the reflected ray will move away from the pole with the same angle. Okay, so these are the two diagrams for rule 3. Next, let me draw the diagrams for rule 4. So if you understand each and every rule, then you can automatically know about the image formation in concave as well as convex mirrors. Okay, so rule 4 is, if the incident ray passes through center of curvature in a concave mirror or seems to pass through center of curvature in a convex mirror, then the reflected ray will follow the same path but in opposite direction. Okay, so let me put what I said in the form of a diagram. So this is a concave mirror. So this is the pole. Now I am drawing principal axis. Now this is focus and this is center of curvature. Now, so what is the statement for rule 4? If the incident ray passes through center of curvature, then the reflected ray will follow the same path but in opposite direction in a concave mirror. Whereas if you consider convex mirror, so this is a convex mirror. Here the reflecting portion is curved outwards, bulged outwards. This is the principal axis. Now what is the point called? Pole. Focus will be here for a convex mirror, and this is the center of curvature. So for convex mirror, the incident ray must seem to pass through center of curvature. So this is the incident ray. Then what about reflected ray? Reflected ray must follow the same path but in opposite direction. Okay, so this is about rule 4. So this one is rule 1, this is rule 2, this is rule 3 and rule 4. So the important thing that you need to keep in your mind is, all these 4 rules are not separate rules. This is not a rocket science, because they have considered that loss of reflection. Okay, so if you understand these rules, you can understand the image formation clearly. I hope it is clear for you. If anyone have doubts related to this topic, please post them in the comment section, so that in my free time I will be able to answer the question. Thank you very much.